guys, what is up? Welcome back to another stream of the 5 series stream. You guys are watching Pro Socializations and we're back with a new stream. Sorry guys, like today had been a hell lot of mess. I tried shooting up a video and that got messed up, and that will be a sooner retake and I will fix up the things. So I decided to complete up this 5 series gameplay so that you guys don't get more bored of this stuff. So let's start guys. Today we are playing Gangstar Aliens of the game Love, and this is a good game I guess. So let's start.
The acts and shows that are shown on this stream doesn't promote any kind of violence and should not be applied to the real life. I request all my friends to kindly accept the disclaimer and follow it.
Oh, okay. Okay, got this stuff guys probably. Oh man. Okay, let's get down guys. What is this probably? So this is a casino I guess. Let's play some casino guys. Oh man. So we are done over here I guess.
Why the hell are you troubling people who are gambling? Stupid fellow, always shooting me.
Where the hell like I'm going? I don't know guys.
I guess the man wanted to pay.
Let's get out of here guys. Let's get out. Probably like so crowded. So let's get into the city and like knock out the asses of the bloody dams. The game is quite like graphics is okay guys. The game is around 2 GB I guess. Let's talk out people.
Killing innocent civilians, take him down!
Don't mess man.
Don't mess with the badass, you understand? I guess all the civilians became zombies and scratching the ground and chasing each other.
Oh damn. Dead guys, dead. Let's watch an ad and revive ourselves. Talapin saw. What is this Arun? I don't want Arun ice cream. You'll give for free, I will eat. Who will pay money? I will not mess with people, pa. Not good, guys. Don't go and like knock out on the public. So let's get down from here. I'll go and take some car from the parking lot. Look like a Rolls Royce. Oh, ma'am. Oh shit, dude, like I play the worst. Take him down, like knock down everything, man. How to turn off this radio? I'm getting out of this fucking car.
Radio City 94.1.
There's a lady
You are
over there.
listening
Let's
to
go,
Radio
like-
Mirchi. And it's me Solaba. Arla.
Let's try what there is. Irana, I guess.
We are in the Asgard. Look up the sky. The space time is running,
Okay.
and we need to do spaceship
another
to
one.
get out of
this
here.
stuff? It looks so new and like- Guys, I won't talk much, okay, like- lot of shit stuff inside that, so I have to probably skip that, I guess. I got the munition somehow. Get over, man, get over. Go meet He-Man. Who is the He-Man? I know only He-Man. In India, like He-Man is so famous, guys. Where are you going, man? What are you searching for? What is he doing in the ground? Get up.
In Hindi, you are called Sadak Chap. Arre Mia, arre मैं सड़क चाप और
Has he
सड़क
gone
चाप
mad?
मेरे भिखारी भैया
Fool.
ओ मेरा मांगता ओ मेरे भिक्षा मिया.
Fool, man. Fool. Formula. Formula. For whatever you make. Hit him on his face. So we have got Come on, you pop. Take out the gun and knock him down. Now should we run? Where the hell is he running like?
So finally, gambling is done.
Cops are incoming! Get the hell out of here!
Dude, this is like a crazy game, I guess. Like from here, where I have to go? Like, there is something led out of over here. Oh damn! Where is he? From where should I get that stupid? Oh, I see. Went up the terrace, I guess, guys. Like, I can't leave you alone, man. Like, controlling this stuff is like so hard, guys. I will chase you.
Hey, you give me free Arun ice cream. Arun is my best friend only. I will tell him you give me Arun ice cream.
Beat him down, you. Like,
I am the Hulk driver. I love to smash. I love destruction.
She doesn't look like Vera. She look like Eliana or whatever shit. That old woman lady is what is being talked about. And I hate that old lady. I feel like punching off her face and like. Who is this guy? Like, this guy looks like muscle. Motta only this guy, like full bald idiot. Why the hell did I then chase him for so difficulties and like completed the mission, guys, somehow? That's what I wanted. Phone is running, I guess. Guys, let's take some vehicle, I guess. Probably. What is this? Oh, okay. The city is filled with prized landmarks. This could all be yours. The Paramount Mall. Capture. Let's go there and capture the Paramount. It's the only thing. And I've acquired the Paramount Mall, guys, probably. So like this is the first gameplay I'm playing. I have never like played this game ever before. So like what should now I do? What's the next? Okay, I get it. Okay, I got the mob combat. Okay, I go back. Wanna do the mission. I need a ride. Like, get out. You shit. Like, why the hell did he knock me down? Let's like get mess with this boy. I wanna like beat him down. Took some cash from him. Oh, this is how this game works, huh? Took some cash from that lady. Oh man.
We are noobs. You understand? We learned to drive. We didn't go to driving
The police is
classes.
behind me,
We
the
are
police.
learning to drive.
How to turn on this radio, man? Take him down like. Hey, you. Like the game's a whole lot of mess, huh? Oh man, why is man always firing?
Shoot him, Mr. Man.
Fire this game is probably.
She might get it, yeah. Play the game. I gotta play the game, yeah.
Get over all this. I guess I've got the mission, guys. Like that shows the rookie symbol out over there. Let's get out of the car and got down from the car like wanted. What the hell is this happening? Like get over it. Okay, I'll go there. Lucky Assembly 7 provides you some stuff. Continue the story. Like jack slot machine. What is it? I don't know. Like it's probably poker, I guess. This is the place where we left the game. And run, dude, run. Where did the car just go? Like shit. Make me run so bad. Hey you, wait.
Hey Omni, stop! I want a ride! Stop, I say, man! He ditched me, guys! Oh
Get
no,
out, you
it's a
bloody-
breakup for me and my Omni! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun,
Yes,
dun, dun,
it
dun, dun,
was.
dun, 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 dun.
Like where should I go? The game is just like so damn awesome, guys. Whoa! Let's like get out of fucking shit. Hey! What the hell just happened? How can you hit me down, dude? Where is the bike? I got a scooter. Let's get onto the scooter, dude. Ooh, this scooter is just awesome. We are on fire. Oh damn. What the shit, man. Let's swim fast and get the hell out of over here, I guess, guys. What's
After
up,
a whole lot
dude? This is a
of
game of fire,
driving,
man.
the man is having a nice swim in the biggest natural pond of the earth.
What is this? I've come to Sahara Desert, I guess. Like no one is there out over here. I
We
want
are
a car,
stuck in
man.
Sahara. We need some
By the way, the
hot
t-shirt
air,
that
you
this man wearing is cool,
know.
guys.
We are stuck in Sahara, and there is a whole lot of heat, you know.
Hey, you wait. I found a car right over there. It's like simply lying over there. Let's take this car and run away. Hey, you, where are you running, dude? Get into it. Get into it. The Fiesta, Mamma Mia, say, waha. I think it's becoming dark out
You
over
are listening
here.
to Radio Machine 94.1,
Like the
and this
shit
is
pullers always comes and
Bollywood
like,
का तड़का. मुझों को थोड़ा तो रंडड घुमा
Mikasa
के
is
Put
Mikasa.
lassi and mix it well. Make some cocktail. Put it in
Blow
your
up.
mouth and shake it. All the Rajini fans, Talaiva. We are all noobs, Talaiva. We do
Hello.
lungi noobs, lungi noobs, lungi noobs, lungi noobs.
Like you get down, you get out. Whoa. Oh shit. Take the bike, dude. Counter at level 1. Stop the lily shit, the lily dude.
My dear friends, the last sequence that you saw can only happen in movies and games. That is impossible in real life. If you do practice that in your real life, you will be screwed and noobed to jail.
Oh man, dude.
Tarararara, wasted streams, man. Tarararara, wasted streams, man.
Don't you mess with me, don't you mess with me,
I killed the
don't you
police
mess
and
with
I'm
me,
gonna
don't
go
you
in the
mess with
police
me,
car. Oh shit, dead. And here ends the game, guys. I hope you all like the small stream and the gameplay. Meet you guys with another vlog, and it's a bye from
Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Doom, doom, doom. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na. Hey, you Ferrari wala, wait. I have never ever seen a Ferrari in my life, and now if I wish to drive, you are coming and nicely taking it away, huh? Idiot.